Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to keyframe in CapCut to animate an object. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And for example, guys, I'm going to use the keyframe feature to animate this fairy. I'm going to make this fairy like flying. So first of all, we need to click on the object we want to animate. We can click on the object or the photo. Basically, we can use the keyframe feature to add movement to our photo or video. And here I'm going to use it to animate this fairy. So I'm going to click on the keyframe button first. And then for the start position, I'm going to make this fairy out of frame like this. And the second position, I'm going to make it a little bit appear on the frame. And I'm just going to make like flying effect. Like this, we can do it one by one. I'm going to make this fairy disappear at the end position. Okay, like this. And I'm just going to make it out of frame. Okay, and let's see the final result. Alright, as you can see that the fairy is flying with the keyframe feature. And you can use the keyframe feature to animate your object or to add movement to your object. It's up to you. This is just for an example. You can do it as you want actually. You can do it as creative as you can. Alright guys, and that's how we can do keyframing in CapCut Mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.